Alex Hormozi's entrepreneurial blueprint highlights the pillars of building a business. It delivers unmatched value and impacts markets profoundly. We'll explore the critical aspects of identifying market needs. Also, we'll look at crafting irresistible offers and maximizing customer lifetime value. We'll also explore leveraging strategic partnerships. Additionally, we'll look at fostering a mindset geared towards growth and resilience. This video aims to equip entrepreneurs with Hormozi's insights and strategies. They'll learn how to create and scale successful businesses. The video emphasizes the importance of customer-centric solutions, innovative offerings, and strategic collaborations. These are the keys to achieving long-term success and sustainability in today's competitive landscape. Building a value-oriented business. Alex Hormozi believes creating value is key to business success. He firmly believes that businesses thrive by addressing significant, widespread problems. This foundational principle is evident throughout his career. It started with his foray into the fitness industry and extends into various sectors. Hormozi's advice to entrepreneurs is to keenly identify and understand the market's pain points. This way, they can position their business as the solution to these pressing issues. This problem-centric approach ensures that the enterprise offers indispensable value to its customers. It guarantees market demand. It also ensures long-term viability and resilience against economic fluctuations. Building a value-oriented business centers on understanding customers' needs and challenges. Entrepreneurs must look beyond superficial market trends. Instead, they should dive into the underlying problems that affect their target audience. By doing so, they can develop solutions that fulfill an immediate need. This also contributes positively to their customers' lives. This strategy fosters a strong, sustainable business model built on genuine value provision. Hormozi's journey illustrates that when businesses prioritize value creation over profit maximization, they not only solve real-world problems, they also build a loyal customer base and achieve enduring success. Entrepreneurs aspiring to replicate Hormozi's success should prioritize understanding their customers' problems. They should also focus on solving those problems. This will ensure their business's relevance and resilience in a dynamic market environment. The power of Offercraft. Alex Hormozi has distinguished himself in the landscape of entrepreneurship. He does this through his innovative approach to offer crafting. His advances transformed a standard product or service into an irresistible proposition. This transformation hinges on the strategic bundling of value. This requires an acute understanding of the target market's deepest desires. It also requires structuring offers in a way that the value provided far exceeds the asking price. Hormozi's method involves enriching the offer with bonuses and guarantees. He also creates a compelling sense of urgency. This approach has been a cornerstone of his success across various business ventures. He demonstrates that the allure of the offer, rather than the product itself, is what ultimately compels customers to act. Hormozi's philosophy underscores the importance of a customer-centric approach in offer crafting. Entrepreneurs are advised to immerse themselves in their customers' world. They should understand their aspirations, fears, and unmet needs. This deep insight allows for the design of offers that resonate on a personal level with potential customers. This makes it nearly impossible for them to overlook. Moreover, Hormozi advocates for the strategic use of psychological triggers. These triggers include scarcity, social proof, and reciprocity. It enhances their attractiveness within offers. This meticulous attention to the psychological underpinnings of consumer behavior ensures that offers not only meet a tangible need, they also connect on an emotional level, greatly enhancing their effectiveness. Entrepreneurs looking to emulate Hormozi's success should focus on crafting offers. These offers are not just transactions, but transformative experiences for their customers. Maximizing customer lifetime value. Alex Hormozi's strategic approach to maximizing customer lifetime value, CLV, is a testament to his profound understanding of the economics of customer relationships. He argues that the real wealth in business lies not in single transactions. Instead, it lies in cultivating enduring relationships with customers. Hormozi emphasizes CLV. He recognizes that nurturing existing customers is more cost-effective and profitable. It is better than continuously acquiring new ones. His strategies for enhancing CLV include leveraging data analytics for personalized customer experiences. He also introduces thoughtful upsells that genuinely benefit the customer. Additionally, he actively engages to foster a sense of belonging among customers. Investing in customer relationships means going beyond the initial sale. It's about understanding and anticipating customers' evolving needs. Hormozi advocates for creating a customer journey. This journey should continuously deliver value, solidifying loyalty, and encouraging repeat business. This means taking a proactive approach to customer satisfaction. It's about acting on feedback and using every interaction to deepen relationships. By focusing on the long-term value of customer relationships, businesses can unlock a sustainable growth path. This path is less reliant on the volatile process of customer acquisition. Entrepreneurs inspired by Hormozi's philosophy should focus on creating a customer-centric culture. This culture should prioritize serving customers, not just selling to them. This approach ensures a loyal customer base and a robust revenue stream over time. Leveraging strategic partnerships. Alex Hormozi's insights into strategic partnerships offer a blueprint for leveraging external collaborations. His insights help fuel business growth. He posits that in today's interconnected business environment, strategic alliances can provide a competitive edge. They offer access to new markets, shared expertise, and enhanced brand visibility. Hormozi's approach to partnerships is characterized by a selective process. He prioritizes alignment in values, target markets, and business goals. He highlights the importance of forming partnerships. These should complement, not compete with your business. This facilitates a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit from each other's strengths. Partnerships can significantly amplify a business's reach and capabilities. They do this without necessitating a proportional increase in resources or expenses. Hormozi emphasizes the need for clarity and mutual understanding in partnership agreements. He ensures that roles, expectations, and objectives are well-defined and aligned. Effective communication and ongoing evaluation of the partnership's performance are crucial. These are crucial to maximizing the benefits of such collaborations. Entrepreneurs should approach partnerships with a strategic mindset. They should view them as opportunities to create value. This value transcends what could be achieved independently. They should seek to adopt Hormozi's strategies. By doing so, they can unlock new avenues for growth and innovation. They will be able to foster a collaborative ecosystem, and this ecosystem propels their business forward. The importance of scaling mindset. At the core of Alex Hormozi's teachings is the belief that scaling a business is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. He emphasizes that entrepreneurs must cultivate a mindset geared towards growth. They must also cultivate a mindset geared towards resilience and continuous improvement. This means embracing challenges as opportunities. It means learning from failures and persistently pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Hormozi's own entrepreneurial journey exemplifies this mindset. It showcases how adaptability and resilience can overcome obstacles and drive significant growth. Hormozi encourages entrepreneurs to view their business journey as a continuous learning process. Each setback is a lesson, and each success is a stepping stone to greater achievements. This growth mindset fosters a culture of innovation within the organization. It encourages team members to experiment, take calculated risks, and embrace change. By prioritizing personal and professional development, entrepreneurs can ensure that their business remains dynamic and responsive to market changes. Hormozi's advice to entrepreneurs is to invest in their own growth as much as in their business. He recognizes that the two are intrinsically linked. A scaling mindset is essential for navigating the complexities of business growth. It's characterized by a commitment to evolution and excellence. It ensures that entrepreneurs can lead their ventures to new heights of success. Alex Hormozi's entrepreneurial insights provide a roadmap for building impactful businesses. His strategies emphasize identifying customer needs. He creates irresistible offers and maximizes customer lifetime value. He also leverages strategic partnerships and fosters a growth mindset. Hormozi highlights the importance of innovation. He also stresses customer focus and collaboration to achieve sustainable success. This approach is invaluable for entrepreneurs navigating today's competitive landscape. It offers key strategies for resilience and long-term prosperity.